Hello, Coolers. Welcome back to another massive Camp Nou construction update. Camp Nou's incredible transformation is reaching a stunning new stage, and today's update is impossible for any Barça fan to ignore. The pitch has now been fully installed, and the iconic diamond structures continue to rise across the stadium. But the biggest development is still ahead. Barcelona has revealed a major plan for the new Camp Nou roof. So, how close is the stadium really to completion? Let's find out. A major transformation is now becoming visible on the lateral side, where we can finally see one of the 3 diamond structures taking shape. With each stage of construction, this entire section continues to grow and become more impressive. Just a little further along, the second diamond is also showing remarkable progress. The lateral side is changing rapidly, while the decorative louvers and mobility cores continue to advance, adding more definition and detail to the overall structure. Another important milestone is the third diamond, which has now finally been concreted. With the main structure in place, the next step will be to begin installing the framing for the glass sections and continue the glazing work across the diamonds, bringing these structures closer to their finished appearance. The VIP ring is still progressing, with work continuing across the common areas and curtain wall. According to the club's plans, parts of the VIP ring could open around late December or early January. Although the timeline may change, workers are also advancing with internal partitions, elevator and bathroom openings. While activity from workers and machinery remains strong, there is still plenty to complete. But the important thing is that the area is steadily taking shape and moving closer to becoming a finished part of the new Camp Nou. Now, the number that matters. Standing in the stand section by the south goal corner, the count is direct. 6 main pillars still need to go up before the compression ring closes. Each one gets its radial beam attached almost immediately after installation. That part of the process is fast. What's not fast is getting all 6 done, plus their corresponding compression ring boxes before August 19th. That date is the first match at the renovated Camp Nou, the Joan Gamper tournament. The honest read, the ring won't be fully assembled by then. The realistic target is the end of September, a real milestone. But a month and a half past the season opener, some walls from this first ring section are already plastered, and the gap between the first and second terrace is starting to close in places. The countdown starts now. One of the most important developments is the completion of the first mobility core with its decorative ceramic lamellas and final aluminum finishing panels. The aluminum panels are now giving this section its final architectural appearance, creating a much more refined and premium look. However, some visible defects can still be seen, including damaged corner pieces and impact marks on several aluminum panels. These elements will likely need to be replaced before the final handover. Since this is one of the first completed examples of this finishing system, it will be important to see whether these issues are corrected before the same details are replicated across the remaining cores. The installation of decorative lighting is also progressing across the exterior. After several spotlights were installed along the lateral sector, crews have now started adding the same lighting elements around the south goal lateral corner. As more lights are installed, this entire section will gradually be prepared for its final nighttime appearance. Once the lighting becomes continuous alongside the ceramic lamellas, we will get a much better idea of how this part of the stadium will look after dark. Another mobility core in the lateral sector close to the corner has now started receiving its decorative ceramic lamellas. One side of the core is already almost completely covered, and the installation is progressively extending toward the existing lamellas across the lateral sector. Once these sections connect, we will begin to see a much stronger visual continuity stretching from the south goal through the corner and toward the north goal. One of the biggest transformations inside the stadium can now be seen as the natural grass playing surface has been fully installed. The pitch is essentially complete, with only the final mowing pattern, line markings, and goal installation remaining before it reaches its match-ready appearance. This marks another significant step as the stadium continues moving closer to operational readiness. Work on the third tier also continues to make excellent progress. Concrete seating steps have now been completed across almost the entire stadium, providing the foundation for future seat installation. Meanwhile, construction remains active on the surrounding structural elements and upper-level access areas, keeping the next phase of finishing work steadily on track. The Tribuna area is now revealing another important stage of its transformation. In the background, the large superstructure is taking shape, while the final color and finishing work are still to come, something that will completely change the appearance of this section. Below, the definitive flooring is already being installed around the C area stairways, with the railings also receiving their latest updates. These finishing details are gradually turning this part of Camp Nou into a much more complete and defined space. The lateral side of the future Barça Store is also taking shape, with the walls now fully plastered and several ventilation openings already visible. New glass panels have also been installed along this side, adding another finished detail to the space. The main entrance will be through the two enormous doors, while these additional doors appear to be more suitable for service access and bringing materials into the store. Even these smaller finishing details show that the area is steadily moving forward. The north goal remains the section with the most exterior work still ahead. Despite the unfinished appearance, structural and preparation work continues actively inside these cores every day. Several mobility cores are yet to receive their sandwich panels, floor slabs, and decorative facade support structure. Construction teams continue working inside these cores, gradually preparing them for the next stage when ceramic lamella installation can begin. At the North Gal corner, crews continue carrying out important preparation work before facade installation can begin. Engineers are carefully completing these technical adjustments to ensure the next stage of installation proceeds without delays. Workers are installing technical systems, including alarm infrastructure, while also making adjustments to the facade anchor points. These precision tasks ensure the steel support system is correctly aligned before the decorative ceramic lamellas are permanently installed in this section. And finally, the news that every Barcelona fan needs to hear clearly and completely, because it represents one of the most significant and most consequential decisions that the club has made regarding the Camp Nou renovation timeline. FC Barcelona has formally asked La Liga for permission to play the entire first half of the 2027-2028 season away from the Spotify Camp Nou. The club has requested that it be allowed to use the Estadi Olympic Luis companies for those matches, a return to the temporary home that Barça fans are already familiar with from the renovation period that preceded the partial reopening of the camp. Now, the reason for this request is the roof installation. The massive and extraordinarily complex operation of installing the new Camp Nou roof is scheduled to take place between June and October 2027. A 4-month window during which the stadium will need to be vacated entirely to allow the roof installation teams the space, the access, and the uninterrupted working conditions that an engineering project of this scale and this complexity absolutely demands. You cannot install a roof of this magnitude over an occupied stadium. The whole ground needs to be clear. Now here is the really important detail that distinguishes this decision from a simple operational necessity. It is also a deliberate act of caution from the club. The roof installation is estimated to take approximately 4 months, June to October. That window, if everything goes exactly to plan, could allow the stadium to reopen for the second half of the 2027-2028 season. But Barcelona is not willing to risk that second half reopening being disrupted by delays that push the roof completion beyond October. The roof is worth waiting for. The completed camp now is worth the first half of one season at the Olympic. And when the doors of the fully finished, fully roofed, fully magnificent new Camp Nou open for the second half of the 2027-2028 season, every moment of that temporary sacrifice is going to be vindicated completely and permanently. And as we reach the end of this incredible journey, One thing is clear: Camp Nou is more than a stadium. It's a symbol of history, passion, and millions of memories. A new era is coming, and Barcelona is creating a legacy that will inspire generations. Stay with us as we continue following this incredible story. Visca Barça!